Hey everyone, Arjun here. Are you tired of endless study sessions that don't stick? Searching for the secret to mastering any skill faster and more effectively? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the one learning technique that can transform how you approach mastery forever. We're diving deep into the cosmos of your own mind, and trust me, it's more exciting than a black hole eating a supernova. So buckle up, get ready for some cosmic brain boosting because we're about to unlock your learning superpowers. We've all been there, staring at a textbook for hours, highlighting everything in sight, and yet when the test comes, it's like that information took a detour to a black hole. The truth is, most of us were never taught how to learn. We were given these outdated methods, reading, highlighting, memorizing, and basically just hoping for the best. But here's the problem, those methods, they're not built for long-term retention or deep understanding. They rely on passive learning, like you're just a sponge trying to soak it all up. But your brain, my friend, is not a sponge. It's a powerful, dynamic machine capable of incredible feats, and like any powerful machine, it needs the right fuel and the right kind of workout. Think of it like this. If you wanted to become a world-class athlete, you wouldn't just sit on the couch reading books about sports, right? You'd get out there, train, practice, and push your limits. Learning is the same way. You have to actively engage with the material, grapple with it, and make it your own. So, how do we break free from this passive learning trap and unleash the true potential of our minds? Get ready, because things are about to get actively awesome. The key to unlocking your learning superpowers lies in one simple yet incredibly powerful technique. Active recall. Now I know what you're thinking. Neil, you're talking about my brain here, not launching a rocket. Keep it simple. And you're right. It is simple, elegantly simple. Active recall is like taking your brain to the gym. It's about actively retrieving information from your memory banks instead of passively reviewing it. Instead of rereading that chapter, you close the book and quiz yourself. Instead of passively copying notes, you put those notes aside and try to explain the concept in your own words, like you're teaching it to someone else, or even better, to a 5-year-old. Because if you can explain something complex in simple terms, you truly understand it. Think about it. When you really want to remember something, a phone number, a friend's birthday, the lyrics to your favorite song, you don't just stare at it and hope it sticks. That's active recall in action. Chapter 3. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Neil, I get it. Active recall sounds great, but is there any science behind it? Or is this just another learning fad? And you know me, I'm all about the evidence, the hard data, the science that makes the universe tick. So let's talk about what's happening inside that magnificent brain of yours when you use active recall. Imagine your brain is a vast network of interconnected pathways, kind of like the cosmic web of galaxies spread across the universe. Each piece of information you learn creates a new pathway, a new connection in this web. Now, when you learn something new, that pathway is like a faint, barely there trail in the woods. It's there, but it's easy to lose your way. But here's where active recall comes in. Every time you actively recall a piece of information, you're essentially walking that neural pathway, making it a little bit stronger, a little bit clearer. It's like taking that faint trail and turning it into a well-worn path, then a road, and eventually a superhighway of information flow in your brain. This process of strengthening neural connections is called synaptic plasticity, and it's the foundation of learning and memory. Active recall forces those synapses to fire, releasing neurotransmitters and strengthening the connection between neurons. Chapter 4. Alright, Cosmic Explorers, we've journeyed through the why, we've explored the science. Now let's get down to the practical. How can you start using active recall to supercharge your learning journey today? Well, I've got some tried and true techniques, some brain-boosting tools that are as effective as they are simple. First up, we have the classic flashcard. Now don't let the simplicity fool you. Flashcards are like the Swiss Army knife of active recall. Write questions on one side, answers on the other, and quiz yourself regularly. It's like having a portable pop quiz in your pocket, ready to fire up those neurons whenever you have a few minutes. Next, we have the Feynman Technique, named after the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman. This technique is all about explaining a concept in simple terms, as if you were teaching it to a 5-year-old. This forces you to break down complex ideas into digestible chunks, revealing any gaps in your understanding. Remember, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Then there's the gold standard of active recall practice tests. The more realistic, the better. This simulates the pressure of a real test, forcing your brain to work under pressure and retrieve information in a structured way. Plus, it's a great way to identify your strengths and weaknesses, so you can focus your study efforts where they matter most. And finally, never underestimate the power of self-quizzing after reading. After finishing a section or chapter, close the book and write down everything you remember. Chapter 5. So there you have it, cosmic learners. We've journeyed from the depths of passive learning to the heights of active recall, and I hope you're as excited about the possibilities as I am. Because when you embrace active recall, you're not just memorizing facts. You're rewiring your brain for mastery. You're building a mental framework that allows you to learn faster, retain longer, and truly understand the world around you. So go forth, my fellow knowledge seekers, and embrace the power of active recall. Stop wasting time with ineffective study methods. Start using active recall and unlock your true learning potential. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed learning tips, and let us know in the comments. What's one skill you're working on mastering? Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the universe within and around you.